factoring 20, like what's the first step when we factor a number? Like what number do we start with? Or is that giving them too much information?
No, I don't think it's giving them too much information. I'm wondering what do you want a child to say then that's going to help them come up with a new set. So they come up with 4 times 5 equals 20. They come up with 2 times 10 equals 20. And then they can't think of a third way.
I think it goes back to what Steph said for her question, like what strategy can I use? Oh, I can factor. Okay, what do you know about factoring? Oh, I start with 1, and then I check 2, then I check 3.
Oh, and so
that'll find
wanting them
all
to
the
come up with all the options.
Yeah.
I think that's right. Is there anything else you think we can push them to like think more flexibly about like these options that they already have? In the sense of like we all know that we could also flip those factors and get 10 times 2 and 5 times 4, and those actually represent different rectangles. How could we get a child to see that?
What do you know about factor pairs? Oh, I know that you can switch them and it gives you a different length, different width. And you can
You said something about their representation. How could we use representations to help them?
drawing it out.
Yeah, could you like draw it out or like use those numbers and draw it a different way?
Yeah, I think just having them draw it out, label the length and width. Oh, what's your length in this one? It's 2. What's your width? It's 10. Having them draw out that other option to see that like, in this situation, the length is different because it's 2 this time or it's 10 this time. And I think that would also help.
Okay.
Awesome. Thanks, guys. Okay. Let's see, how much time do we have left? Perfect. So let's just practice asking a child. Let's kind of think back to that question that we would ask kids to get them to use their fact knowledge. And so let's practice sending them, like starting a discussion about this problem and about Abby. So teammates, what do we notice is different about this problem than other area problems? Can we use here? Practice sending kids into a turn and talk about that, and then stamping something about the strategy that we shared. Either I can use my fact knowledge to help me, I can factor my numbers to help me find all the options. Let's practice sending them to a turn and talk and then stamping that as teachers so that all kids are able to go back into their work and do it. Is that clear or is that confusing?
It's clear.
Okay, awesome. Okay, go ahead.